Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to reset Fisher-Paykel dishwasher. First is to cancel the current cycle. If the dishwasher is in the middle of a cycle, press the cancel or stop button to cancel it. Next is to power off the dishwasher. Turn off the dishwasher by pressing the power button or switching off the circuit breaker that powers up the appliances. And then wait for 5 minutes. After turning off the power, wait for about 5 minutes to allow the dishwasher to reset. Fourth step. Power the dishwasher back on by pressing the power button again or switching the circuit breaker back on. Lastly is to test the controls. Try starting a new cycle or check if the control panels is responding properly. And if that didn't work, simply contact their customer service and let them reset it for you. And that's basically it.